F the business plan. Now, what I mean by that is forget the business plan. I don't know what you were thinking, but I mean forget. So why would I tell you to forget the business plan? Well, first of all, this isn't a business, it's a side hustle. Now, that being said, yeah, it's still kind of a business. So even if your side hustle is ultimately what you plan to create your full long-term business out of, you're still just experimenting at this point. And so going through the process of putting the burden on yourself of trying to create some official business plan is just gonna hold you back. Because even if you could make a legitimate certain plan of some sort, it's just not needed at this point. You're just trying to get yourself to get started, try it out, try it on for size, see how it goes, and then maybe you'll get to some point in the future where you need to have more of an established plan. The truth is that the only time you really need a business plan, like especially a formal one, is if you're already a bigger business or if you're going to be looking for investors or a loan of some sort. But being that this is a side hustle, you shouldn't be looking for investors. A side hustle has to be something that you can do on your own. You don't need an outside investor, and if you're thinking that you do, then you probably shouldn't move forward with whatever idea that you're looking at, because that's not really what a side hustle is about. That's a whole other level. So the biggest reason to F the business plan is because most people allow formality and trying to be perfect and thinking they have to do everything right to be the number one thing that holds them back. So if you get to a point later on, once you've figured out how to make your side hustle thrive, if you want to make a business plan, then go for it. But for now, F the business plan.